Living in West Jordan offers many perks: beautiful mountain views, vibrant neighborhoods, and convenient access to Salt Lake City. However, with growth and activity comes a challenge many homeowners know too well: noise pollution. Whether it's traffic from busy roads, construction projects, or the general hum of urban life, constant noise can make it hard to relax and enjoy your home. One increasingly popular solution among West Jordan homeowners is soundproof windows. These modern window systems not only block out unwanted noise but also bring added benefits for comfort, privacy, and even energy efficiency. The science behind soundproof windows. Soundproof windows are specially engineered to reduce the transmission of sound waves from outside into your home. They achieve this through a combination of design features: multiple glass panes, often double or triple paned for extra thickness; laminated glass, a thin layer of plastic between glass sheets helps absorb and dampen sound vibrations; insulated frames, frames with airtight seals prevent noise leaks around the window edges; air or gas-filled gaps, the space between panes disrupts sound travel, especially at higher frequencies. In short, these windows act like a barrier that muffles noise before it reaches your ears, making your interior space quieter and more peaceful. Key benefits for West Jordan homeowners: peace and quiet in a bustling city. Whether you live near Redwood Road, Bangor Highway, or one of the city's developing commercial districts, street noise can be constant. Soundproof windows can cut outside noise levels by 50% or more, creating a more tranquil indoor environment. Better sleep quality: noise disruption, especially at night, can lead to restless sleep and fatigue. With soundproof windows, you can sleep undisturbed, even if your home faces a busy street or active neighborhood. Improved energy efficiency. Many soundproof windows are also energy efficient, featuring insulated glass that keeps your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. This means lower utility bills and a smaller carbon footprint. Increased privacy. These windows not only block outside noise from coming in but also reduce the amount of sound that escapes from your home, giving you more privacy for conversations, entertainment, and family life. Where soundproof windows make the biggest difference. Not every home in West Jordan experiences the same level of noise pollution. However, certain locations benefit greatly from an upgrade. Homes near major roads or highways, properties close to schools, parks, or sports facilities, apartments or houses in densely populated neighborhoods, residences close to construction or development zones. If you find yourself raising your voice to talk indoors, a soundproofing solution is worth serious consideration. Choosing the right soundproof windows. When selecting soundproof windows, it's important to work with a local professional who understands both West Jordan's climate and your neighborhood's unique noise challenges. Look for STC rating. The sound transmission class rating measures how well a window blocks noise. A higher rating means better sound reduction. Energy efficiency certifications, such as Energy Star for year-round utility savings. Durability and warranty, to ensure your investment lasts. Aesthetic compatibility. Soundproof windows come in various styles, so you can match your home's architecture. Professional installation matters. Even the best soundproof windows won't perform well if installed improperly. Professional installation ensures airtight sealing, correct frame alignment, and long-term performance. In West Jordan, experienced installers can help tailor the solution to your home, factoring in window placement, prevailing noise sources, and local building codes. Final thoughts. Noise pollution is more than just an annoyance. It affects your comfort, health, and quality of life. Soundproof windows offer a practical and lasting solution for homeowners in busy West Jordan neighborhoods. By blocking unwanted noise while boosting energy efficiency and privacy, they transform your home into a peaceful retreat. If you're ready to enjoy a quieter, more comfortable home, talk to a local window professional about upgrading to soundproof windows. You'll be amazed at how much difference they can make, not just in what you hear, but in how you feel.